Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about Amazon new service, which is Amazon Web Service Detective. Analyze and identify root cause of security risk. Now, before we go and understand the AWS new concept and new services, which is AWS Detective, let's understand the few security challenges which every company is facing. Now, what are those security challenges? The security challenges involves the number of alerts. Now, these numbers of alerts may be related to your server, may be related to the application, or may be related to any database running on your server. The other security challenge which we generally face is with the multiple hardwares and software involved. Now, we have a hybrid cloud concepts. We have a different hardwares. We have multiple softwares running on the running for your businesses. These multiple hardwares and softwares also trigger many alerts. Now, these alerts need to be monitored. Now, alerts may be related to the security or may be related to the monitoring of your application database or your servers. So you have to filter out which alerts is important for your database or which alert is really critical or which alerts will have a security vulnerability. So this is also a challenges which everyone in the organization is facing. Now there is another challenge which we generally see is the knowledge gap between the products. Now if someone working as an system admin may not have a application knowledge, or if someone is working as an application may not have the knowledge of the server or hardware or hypervisor. So the knowledge gap is something which is very challenging. And then monitoring product costs. Now we do have a different third-party tools which actually monitors your environment and keep you updated on what exactly going on. Now these products also monitor the security vulnerability, but this comes with a additional cost, and these costs are very huge. So these are the security challenges which nowadays every company is facing. Amazon Detective concepts to overcome all these challenges. Amazon has come up with new services which is Amazon Detective, which will actually help us to analyze, maintain, monitor, and manage all the security risk or a potential security risk involved. Amazon Detective makes it easy to investigate, analyze, and quickly identify the root cause of potential security risk. It also enables or it also keep you alert on the suspicious activity which is happening in your environment. Amazon Detective is something which keeps on monitoring your entire environment. It keeps monitoring the logs as well. So let's understand how Amazon Detective works. What is the flow of Amazon Detective? Now first it collects the telemetry from AWS sources. Now what exactly it is going to do is initially it will try to get all the logs. It will try to get all the trace files from your different services, as for example CloudTrail, VPC log, or DNS logs. Then it continuously aggregate data into graph model. Then it process data with the analytics with the help of machine learning. So as soon as it compiles all the data with the help of machine learning and analytics, it will show you in the graphical way, or then it will visualize context and behavior in the graphical representation. So for that, the input comes from the VPC logs, your database logs, or your server log, or from the CloudTrail. First and foremost, you have to enable the Amazon Detective in the AWS Management Console. As soon as you enable the Amazon Detective, it quickly distills and organizes data from the CloudTrail logs, VPC logs, and Amazon Guard Duty findings. So Amazon Detective organizes data into a graph model. The graph model is continuously updated as new data become available. It actually looks for the new logs which comes from the CloudTrail or any other different sources or services. Now, as soon as it's collected all the data, it will actually investigate a security finding with the help of AWS Security Hub, Amazon Guard Duty, and which is integrated partner security product. We can click on investigate from the console of these services to directly bring up the specific finding details page, and it will keep you updated with any if there is any potential risk involved in the services, or if any threat it sensed, it will show you in the graphical way or with the logs in the AWS detective. Then it will also inform you about the root cause, and it provides the interactive visualization with the details and context to identify the underlying reason for the findings. Now there is a prerequisite for Amazon Detective, which is Amazon Guard Duty. So you have to first enable Amazon Guard Duty, then only you will be able to use the Amazon Detective. Now Amazon Detective basically takes the data from the Amazon Guard Duty. It is intelligent threat detection to protect your AWS accounts and workload. Guard Duty analyze AWS CloudTrail logs, VPC flow logs, and DNS query logs to generate security findings. So these findings actually is an input for Amazon Detectives. Guard Duty doesn't manage AWS CloudTrail logs, VPC flow logs, and DNS query logs, or make their event and logs available to you. Now, how to enable Amazon Detective? The first thing is you have to enable Guard Duty. So that is the first prerequisite to enable Amazon Detective. Now, after you enable Guard Duty on this account, you have to wait for 40 hours before you start using the Amazon Detective. And then the recommended part is to create a align master account. And then you have to attach a IAM policy, which is there on the Amazon Detective page. And then you can start using the Amazon Detective. Now, let me take you to the Amazon Detective services. For that, I have already logged into the AWS Management Console. I'll click on Amazon AWS Detective. Now, this Detective is a AWS services which is recently launched by Amazon. Now, to use Amazon Detective, you have to click on Get Started. So it automatically collects log data from your AWS resources. Now, what are those resources? Those resources may be CloudTrail, VPC logs, as we have already discussed, and it assists in visualizing and conducting faster and more efficient security investigation. You can use Amazon Detective for 30 days free trial. The pricing is first 0 to 1000 GB is $2 per GB, and then next 4000 GB up to 5000 GB is $1 per GB, and over 10,000 GB is 0.25 per GB. Now to start the Amazon Detective, you have to click on Get Started. As you can see, enable Amazon Detective, you have to align master account, which is recommended. You have to attach IAM policy. So this IAM policy, you have to attach it. Then you can click on Amazon Detective. Now, as soon as you click on Amazon Detective, it will tell you Guard Duty is a prerequisite. So for that, before that, you have to enable the Guard Duty. So you just click on Guard Duty. So this Guard Duty is another AWS services, which is to monitor your logs. AWS Guard Duty is enabled. You can enable AWS Detective and you can start seeing the there is any risk involved in your system based on the logs which it try to fetch it from the CloudTrail or different other resources. It will try to give you the output in the graphical way, and it will show you if there is any recommendation for that particular services. So this is all we have in Amazon Detective.